Hey y'all, it's Mary and this is Mary Catherine Loves Cats. Welcome to my channel. I have some gorgeous jewelry by the company Read Your Heart. They sent me several pieces, so I'm going to show them to you. In my first video from them, I got this stunning ring. Look at that, y'all. It's moissanite, and I got these gorgeous earrings. Now these earrings are set in gold, and the ring is set in silver, I think, but you can get them, you can get all of their moissanite jewelry and their zirconia, cubic zirconia, set in silver, in gold, white gold, yellow gold, and platinum. So I'm going to show you these earrings, stunning earrings. I'm going to put this one on and show you. These are, well, before I put this on, let me show you right quick. This is the front when people are looking at you. And instead of the diamonds going all the way around, it's made like the well-designed earrings where the diamonds are in the back here. So when someone is looking directly at you, all they're seeing are the stones. And it has a lever back to it. I'll put it on. I wore these all day yesterday and they didn't bother me at all. They're gorgeous. They're beautiful. I'll tell you more about the earrings, but I want to tell you about Read Your Heart. It's such a lovely company. They're super easy to work with. They have a beautiful website. You can create your own jewelry. Go on there and create your own designs. They are conflict-free. The thing about moissanite is real, but these are man-made moissanite and cubic zirconia products. So it's conflict-free, and they're committed to giving back. So after years of research and science breakthroughs, Read Your Heart has created the perfect created moissanite to be available for all fine jewelry needs. Moissanite is tougher and will not chip as easily or lose brilliance as fast, thus making it an excellent choice for buyers looking for amazing jewelry at an exceptional value. The founder of the brand, Alyssa, she's an editor of a fashion magazine, and she went on this fabulous trip, and while she was on the trip, she lost her engagement ring, y'all. And then she met a very elegant, gorgeous lady along the way on her travels, and that lady had on a stunning ring, and Alyssa wanted to know about it, and it was moissanite instead of diamond. And she's like, what a wonderful way to travel. So if you were to lose it, it's a fraction of the cost of the real thing. So what a wonderful way to travel. So when she came home, she decided to create this company. And moissanite is a gemstone that's born from the stars. It was first discovered in 1893 by a French scientist. His name was Moissan. That's how it gets its name. He later won the Nobel Prize for chemistry. He discovered microscopic particles of the gem that would eventually bear his name. He found them in Arizona in a crater created by a meteorite that fell to Earth. He initially thought that he had discovered diamonds, but later determined that the crystals were composed of silicon carbide. So natural moissanite is incredibly rare. So moissanite available today is usually laboratory created. And after many years of trial and error, the particles Moissan discovered were successfully synthesized to produce what is now, sorry about that, y'all, one of the world's most scintillating gemstones, possessing fire, brilliance, and luster that far surpass even that of a diamond. Moissanite twinkles and sparkles unlike any gemstone on Earth. Moissanite is engineered to give the illusion of similarity to diamonds, but it is compositionally and visually quite different from a real diamond. The durability, brilliance, and color of the two gems are quite distinct. So moissanite is often referred as the world's most brilliant gemstone. I'll tell you, these are so brilliant. Now, I don't have lighting like they do at a jeweler, but I can still see the brilliance of these. So let me tell you about the earrings, and then I'll show you what else they sent me. These are called fashioned round cut sterling silver hoop earrings. So these are about $120 a piece for the pair. And they are, the stone material in these are simulated diamond cubic zirconia. And the stone quantity, there's 32 stones between the two pair, and it is in sterling silver. And again, like I said, all jewelry settings are available in 10 karat, 14 karat, and 18 karat yellow, rose, and white gold, as well as platinum. Most jewelry settings are available in alternate center stone shapes and carat weights also. I have a code MARY15 that you can save 15% on the website. And also right now, y'all, their Black Friday sale is going on. A lot of companies have decided their Black Friday has moved up. They have a fantastic sale on. They have a buy one, get one half price. They have all kinds of sales going on. I do believe you'll still save 15% with MARY15. But if you can get a better deal elsewhere, go ahead and do that. But they say that the moissanite is more brilliant. There's more of a luster to it. And I'm going to show you some more things that they sent me in this beautiful bag. Look at it. They send you everything you need. They send you this gorgeous packaging, and they send you the bag. So you can gift this. And let me show you what's in here. This I thought was quite unique. I've never seen anything like it. It's a necklace, and just look at that. Oops, uh-oh. Hang on. It fell out of the box. I was messing with it, so I'm sure it's my fault. Let me hold that back. Look at that, y'all. This came in 10 different colors. And when I say that, some of the stones have gold on the edging and some have the silver. Mine is the silver. And then there's different colored stones. So, and see, there's that ring. But look at the brilliance of that. Let me tell you about that. I have it right here. Get Camille to get off of my paperwork. This is called the Angel Wings Heart Crystal Halo Necklace. And this is normally $85. It's on sale. Well, when I picked it, it was on sale for $60. I don't know if they have that sale still going, but they have all kinds of sales, like I said. And just look at how, here's the back of it, y'all. It's just made so well. The back. And then look at that stone. I don't know if you can see all the detail, but look at that. And then right here is laid a beautiful diamond, moissanite. And then the wings of the angel wings are the moissanite. And then there is silver. Is mine silver? Let me see. I believe it is made of silver. And again, you can get them in the different, this is 16-inch chain plus a 2-inch extender. Oh, the metal is rhodium plated. The main stone material is sapphire crystal. Look at that brilliance. It's stunning. Oops, I have it backwards. I have it backwards, y'all. I'm going to put it on. It's just stunning. Just stunning. And this necklace is like a little box chain. It won't get, kinked up or anything. It is a lobster claw, if you can see that. And I have it on as long as you can make it. So it lays right here. Now 16-inch would probably be up about here. So it just depends what you like. And the brilliance is incredible. Absolutely incredible. I'm in love with it. I can't believe they sent all of this to me, and they gifted this to me. I'm very, very impressed with their company. So that is that. Now they also sent me something else. And look at this, y'all. Look at this. They actually let me get this. You see how gorgeous the packaging is, right? It's gorgeous, Tiffany blue, and it says read your heart, and it's cushioned. It's a gorgeous box. You can't break this box. It's not crushable. So anything, it's going to be safe in here if you have to travel to bring this to your loved one or whatever. And then there is the ring, and let me show it to you. This is an eternity ring, and this is called Round Sona Diamond Sterling Silver Wedding Band Eternal Ring. So I'm going to put it on with the engagement ring, because that's really what that is. Now, I've always been told you wear the engagement ring until you get married. You wear it closest to you, right? And then when you get married, you put it on the outside. But what a gorgeous set. And Let me take this off so you can see the eternity ring. Look at that. The moissanite goes all the way around the ring. And if you know anything about jewelry, the way this is made, it's made to look like the finest jewelry. The way that it is mounted, the way that the inside has the holes behind all of the stones so that the brilliance can shine through. It's just stunning. And this one is, Mailer's right here in my way. The main stone material is a Sona simulated diamond. And there's 16 in this ring. And the metal on this one is 925 sterling silver. And the plating is platinum plated. And the finish is very high polished. All stones are fixed with the prong setting and they're not glued. A lot of fashion jewelry is glued. These are fixed. This jewelry is made as if it is real stones. Everything else about it is real. The material is real. The moissanite is handcrafted. So look at that, y'all. And like I said, this I got in a previous video. I will put that below. Isn't that stunning? Mary, Mary, Mary Lady. That's not what that is, but you know, Barbara Streisand. Sadie, Sadie, Mary Lady. Okay, so we have that gorgeous thing, and these. Look at this. I mean, look at. I look like I'm $1 million. Like I have $1 million, y'all, with these jewels on me. How beautiful! Look at that. Can you see the way that? Oh my goodness, that's stunning. Thank you so much to Read Your Heart for sending me over this beautiful, beautiful jewelry. And y'all go check them out. I'll have their website below. I'll have the links for all the items below. And I'll also put the link for the engagement ring and these earrings that I got in the original video. I'll put those links below also. And then use MARY15 if you want to save 15%. And they always, every time I go on their website, they're having a fabulous sale, but they're having a knockdown, drag out Black Friday sale. So if you want to get something like this for yourself or for a loved one for the holidays, this is the time to buy it. You know, I don't know how long that sale is going to last. If it's going to last through Black Friday or if it's going to last through Christmas, I really don't know. But oh my goodness, I can't stop looking. I can't stop looking. I do have my dining room lights are on. Look at the brilliance. I feel like $1 million wearing these. Oh my goodness. Thank you, Read Your Heart, so much. Gorgeous, gorgeous pieces. And y'all, thanks for watching and stopping by. And go check out their website. Take care, y'all. Count your blessings.